People often wonder, can you wash these chunky knit blankets? The simple answer is yes, but there are specific things that you should do or shouldn't do when you wash these blankets. Hi, my name is Amara. I love everything chunky knit blankets. I'm the owner of Snuggling Knit Designs. If today is your first time coming across any of my video, thank you for being here. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. I own a I own an Etsy shop. I occasionally put up blankets for sale and I have patterns all there. Feel free to check that out. But let's get into let's get into today's video. So in washing your chunky knit blankets, there are some things that you shouldn't do while you wash them. I have this thank you card that I printed. I always include it in every of my blanket order before shipping it out. In front, it says thank you for your order, then the brand name. But behind it, it has the care instructions. It says, machine wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry on low, air dry for best care, do not iron. And most importantly, no fabric softeners. That is like most important one, no fabric softeners. For a blanket that has bright colors, that might differ. I would say spot treat or spot clean those kind of blankets, especially if it has a red in it or maybe blue, like navy blue or maybe black. Those colors tend to bleed no matter how you soak it up, or maybe if you pre-washed it with color catcher or something like that. But I would say spot treat those kind of blankets. Like maybe you made the American flag or the Kansas City blanket. The red might tend to bleed over the white and then changing the color to like something like light pink. You may not like that. And those kind of blankets, you don't wash it all the time. This one, I've had it for going on 2 years now. I can't really tell. Probably I wash it like maybe 2 times or 3 times in a year because honestly, I'm the only one using it. And there are no cats, dogs, or any. I don't own any pets. Not that people that own pets have any issues, no. But I'm just telling you, like, the more you wash it, and one thing with all those blankets, the more you wash it, the more you use it, the more it stretches out, and then the bigger the holes in it. So let's wash this blanket now. I think I'm talking too much. Let's toss it into the washing machine and give it a good wash because it's long overdue for a wash. Okay. So toss it in here and add your preferred laundry detergent. This is what we use in my house, so I'm just going to throw 1 pot in. Okay, so the blanket is in here with 1 pot. I just threw 1 pot of the laundry detergent. Then we want to make sure the temperature is cold wash. Okay, there's no soil level, it's just normal. Then also cold wash, so either delicate or cold wash. My other stuff, so we can either do delicate or simple cold wash. Okay, it doesn't just extra rinse, it doesn't have any dirt level on it like pristine or whatever. We're just going to ignore that and boom. So now I'm going to leave it to wash, and when it's done washing, I'm going to show you what it looks like before tossing it into the dryer. So stay tuned. The cycle is done now, and yeah, it's all looking much better now. It's looking clean. It's literally almost dry, but we're still going to dry it in the dryer. See, that's what it looks like. It really spinned it very well, so it's just kind of like something you just washed. It's not dripping water. So let's put it in the dryer. Okay. Optionally, if you can lay it flat to dry, that's a good thing. Like air dry it instead of using the washing the dryer. You can also air dry it. Just lay it flat on a flat surface and let it do its thing. But we are going to be drying it. So for the dry, we want to select delicate, which is low. Then set a timer. I'm using the delicate one. Okay, and push. Uh-oh. So it's currently in the dryer, and once it's dry, I'll be showing you, or once the cycle is done, I'll be showing you what the blanket looks like, how stretched it is, or anything like that. But just stay tuned. We're almost at the end of the video. Okay. The blanket is all dry now. Blanket is all dry, which is great, and looking new. Smells really fresh. So yeah, you can wash these blankets. It's all done. Dry. The delicate dry is what I use. Delicate cycle was what I used to dry it on the dryer. You can also lay it flat to air dry. Maybe if it wasn't really dry as you would want, I can just lay it flat on the floor for it to continue drying. But it's really dry right now. And see, there is no damage to the blankets. The yarn didn't come apart. Nothing. You can see that. So don't be scared to wash your blankets. Throw them into the washing machine. Put it on delicate cycle. No fabric softeners. No bleach. Just delicate cycle cold wash. And when it's done, put it in the washing. And when it's done, put it in the dryer, tumble dry on low, and your blanket is as good as new. Smells so clean and so fresh. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.